Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to tell you about getting rid of red wine stains. This is a tough one, and it's really difficult to get them out, and you're not going to be successful at all times, but at least try, especially if you have a really nice shirt or something that you want to hold on to. First of all, if it's dry clean only, you need to keep the stain wet and take it to the dry cleaners. Oh, before you keep it wet though, hold on. You want to blot it. We have a red wine stain right here on this shirt. This is just a cotton shirt. It's not dry clean only. But blot the stain first. Then you get a sponge, wet it, and try to keep it wet until you get it to the dry cleaners. Tell them that you have a red wine stain in your shirt and see what they can do. A lot of dry clean only stuff, if you try to use a stain remover, a laundry stain remover that you would normally use, it might damage the fabric, but can't get much more damage than red wine, right? Well, this is a regular cotton shirt, so what I would do in this case is, again, try to keep the fabric wet, blot the wine out as much as you can, pre-treat it just like it's any other stain. Let's see, we're almost out. There we go. Let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes or even overnight. This could damage your material if it's a more, if it's silk or something like that. It could damage the material, but with red wine, what have you got to lose? You're either going to have a red wine stain or your shirt's going to be ruined. Either way, it's ruined. So, if you don't have this handy, but you can get to some dish soap, mix some dish soap with peroxide, about a teaspoon of dish soap with a cup of hydrogen peroxide is an excellent stain remover for red wine. As always, the trick is getting to it as soon as you can. Work that into the stain. It's actually coming out right before my eyes because I got to it soon enough. So there is hope. Don't be too upset. Don't be too discouraged. Just get to it as soon as you can. You should be able to get it out. Now you would wash this garment as usual, and when you wash it in cold water, throw it in the dryer, and when it comes out of the dryer, the stain should be gone. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you get rid of red wine stains.